Let me ask you something. What if the difference between being broke and becoming a millionaire isn't luck, inheritance, or a secret business deal? What if it's simply where you invest your money and your time? Because the truth is, many millionaires didn't start rich. Some started with $0 or even debt, but they focused on a few powerful investments that grew over time. And today, I'm going to show you 8 investments that can completely change your financial future. Let's start with the most important one. Investment number 1, skills. Before money multiplies, skills multiply income. Think about it. Someone who knows sales, marketing, coding, video editing, AI tools, or investing can make money almost anywhere in the world. But someone without valuable skills? They trade time for a small paycheck. Your first investment should always be learning high-income skills. Online courses, books, practice, experience. Skills turn zero into opportunity, and opportunity turns into income. Now, once you start making money, investment number 2, yourself. This sounds simple, but most people ignore it. Your health, your mindset, your discipline. Millionaires treat themselves like their most important asset. They read daily, they exercise, they build confidence. Because when you improve yourself, your income ceiling rises. If you become a better thinker, communicator, and problem solver, people will pay you more. Now, let's talk about where real wealth starts. Investment number 3, index funds. This is one of the easiest ways to build long-term wealth. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you invest in the entire market. Historically, the market has grown about 8 to 10% per year. That may not sound exciting, but with compound growth, small investments can become massive over time. For example, investing just a few $100s every month for years can turn into hundreds of thousands or even millions. Slow? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. Now here's where things get interesting. Investment number 4, businesses. Many millionaires didn't get rich from salaries. They got rich from owning something. A business can generate income even when you're not working. This could be an online store, a YouTube channel, a digital product, a service business, or even a simple side hustle that grows over time. The key idea is ownership. Employees earn income. Owners build assets. Now, let's talk about something many people overlook. Investment number 5, the internet. We are living in the greatest opportunity era in history. One video, one product, one idea can reach millions of people online. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and digital marketplaces allow ordinary people to build global businesses from their bedrooms. And the cost to start? Almost zero. This is why so many young entrepreneurs are building wealth online faster than ever before. Now, let's move to a classic wealth builder. Investment number 6, real estate. Real estate has created wealth for generations. Why? Because it combines cash flow, appreciation, and leverage. You can earn rental income, your property value can increase, and sometimes you can buy property using borrowed money from banks. That combination makes real estate a powerful long-term investment. But remember, good deals matter and patience matters even more. Now, here's one investment people ignore until it's too late. Investment number 7, time. Time is the most powerful multiplier of wealth. A person who starts investing at 20 often ends up with far more money than someone who starts at 40, even if the second person invests more. Why? Because of compound growth. Money grows, then the growth grows, then that growth grows again. Time turns small seeds into giant trees. And finally, investment number 8, relationships. This might surprise you, but many opportunities in life come from who you know. Mentors, business partners, smart friends, communities that think bigger. Surrounding yourself with ambitious people changes your mindset, your ideas, and your opportunities. Sometimes a single relationship can open doors that money cannot. So let's recap. If you start with nothing, these are the investments that can change everything. Number 1, skills. Number 2, yourself. Number 3, index funds. Number 4, businesses. Number 5, the internet. Number 6, real estate. Number 7, time. And number 8, relationships. None of these require you to be born rich. They only require discipline, patience, and consistency. Because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built decision by decision, investment by investment, year by year. Start small,
stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about money, investing, and building wealth, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Make sure to turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my new videos.